Chamari? Am I visible to you? Yes or no? Quickly tell me in the chat. जल्दी से मुझे बताओ तभी हम स्टार्ट करेंगे वरना फिर मैं ऐसे ही वेट करती रहूंगी कि सेशन शुरू हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. Come on people, quickly. Good evening to all the beautiful, beautiful people out there. How's everybody doing today? If you are looking for me, I'm right there. Over my face on the thumbnail because my face have changed a lot from the thumbnail. Do you not really feel the same? I feel कि यार मेरी शक्ल बहुत बदल गई है. What do you think people? Do you think the same? Yes or no? Quickly tell me. Hi! A very, very warm welcome to all the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people out there. What's up people? How are you guys doing today? Good, great, super, awesome, fabulous or fantabulous? जल्दी से बता दो. Hey Ridhima, hello Samriddhi, hello everyone. I'm so sorry people, I have a bit of cold and अभी भी वो गया नहीं है तो you have to manage. कोई बात नहीं, हो जाता है. Okay, good evening बच्चे. युवाश्री, hi समृद्धि. Am I visible? Okay, I'm not visible. यही तो पोपट है कि मैं दिख नहीं रही हूँ तुम्हें. अरे यार रुको, दिखेगी भावना मैम, दिखेगी, सब होगा. अब देखो, दिख रही है भावना मैम. अब मैं दिख रही हूँ. This is like the initial glitches always. Hi Bacha Party, hey Anam, hey Shravya, hey Army, hello. Thank you for telling me that I was not visible. Now I am. So how's everybody doing today? Hello Shravya, hi. Please bolo now it is visible. Yeah, thank you very much. So people, I was just welcoming you all and I have a simple question. यार बहुत टाइम हो गया. I thought कि चलो ये क्वेश्चन आज पूछ के देखते हैं और सबसे पूछ के देखते हैं कि people, if I'm sitting here and I'm your Bhavna ma'am, you know, and obviously I'm taking the session from my home, so I'm a very small picture, otherwise I would be doing it on a big screen, मजा आ जाता. But for the while, if you look at me, your Bhavna ma'am, and you look at this picture, this is also your Bhavna ma'am. Do you say we match? Do we see like siblings or sisters from another mother? Or do we match completely? Will you say, how much percentage will you say कि photograph में जो भावना मैम और यहाँ बैठी हुई भावना मैम है एकदम similar है? बताओ, जल्दी से बताओ. Yes, quickly tell me people. Quick. No, sisters na, twins. नहीं है ना same? You look so different यार. Even I feel this Bhavna and this Bhavna is so different that sometimes even I get confused. It's my class or somebody else. Just kidding over there. So a very, very warm welcome people. This is Bhavna, your master teacher of physics at grade 9 and 10 Vedantu English channel, welcoming you all to another amazing session. Now today I'm not going to ask you join the session. Today I'm not going to go through all these slides and will take ki yaar come on to Vedantu. No. Because today we are not going to have any of this. Why is it so? Because आज आपका surprise test है. So people, if you guys have been thinking कि भावना मैम सिर्फ पढ़ाती है, सिर्फ मस्ती करने आती है, सिर्फ बातें करती है, so you're mistaken. We have to check how much we have studied and how much we have actually kept with us. We are going forward. So it's like a race or a challenge that you have to pass from one place to another in a jungle. So it's kind of a challenge show. It's a talent show, let's call it. So if you are just moving forward and you do not look behind, you will forget your way. That's why it is very important while moving forward, know your way कि हम कहाँ से कहाँ तक cover करके आए हैं. That's what we are going to do today. Today I'm not going to ask you to join the Vedantu wave session. Today I'm going to test you with a surprise Vquiz session. So are you ready? Quickly tell me, are you ready? Prakash, it is as much as Menti bache. It's just that now Vedantu will have its own Vquiz session. Why to go on Menti? You're getting me? So you have all the leaderboard, all the avatars, everything will be same. Just the name from Menti is now Vquiz. Yes. Ready? Oh? Come on. Come on people. Ready? आई नो प्रियांशु, आई कांट हेल्प एनीथिंग. मैं खुद शुरू हो जाऊंगी. अनन्य सर नहीं है, अनन्य फूफा जी है. ही इज लाइक दूस काइंड ऑफ फूफा जी जो शादी में जाते हैं और नुक्स निकालते हैं. ये आलू ना गरम नहीं है, ये समोसे का ना क्रिस्पी नहीं है, ये कोल्ड ड्रिंक देखो कितनी ठंडी नहीं है. ही इज फूफा जी. सो आई हैव फॉरगॉटन अबाउट अनन्य सर एट ऑल. ओके चलो, रेडी हो? बिल्कुल रेडी हो? तो देर इज अ वेरी सिंपल टेक्निक. यू कैन गो टू द simply to the description of this video right away and go for Vquiz. Let me just check if it is there or not. Let me just check. So अगर मैं यहाँ पर नीचे, oh my goodness, what I am looking, likes इतने कम, कितने कंजूस हो यार तुम लोग. Come on, quickly get the likes more, quickly make the likes more. Till that time you're getting me the likes, I'll tell you where you can join the Vquiz. कहाँ गया Vquiz link कहाँ गया हमारा? Where is the Vquiz link? So बच्चा पार्टी, first of all, today's session is being on Vquiz. You just have to go on vquiz.com and I'm going to give you the code. You guys have to join the Vquiz with the code 224938. Quickly do that. Today we are going to have a Vquiz session, a challenge, a way to check कितना पढ़ा और कितना याद है. Majorly I thought कि पहले मैं आपको रिवाइज कराऊंगी, बट देन आई थॉट कि यार मेरे बच्चा पार्टी इतने स्मार्ट है, उनको रिवीजन की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है, तो आज हम रिवीजन नहीं करेंगे. रिवीजन की जरूरत अगर पड़ेगी तो कैसे पड़ेगी? व्हेन वी विल बी एबल टू सी कि हमारा Vquiz स्कोर कैसा है. इफ वी आर रॉकिंग Vquiz, यू गाइज आर डूइंग गुड, व्हाई टू रिवाइज? इफ यू थिंक कि मैम नहीं मैम Vquiz में तो पोपट हो गया, देन वी विल डू द रिविजन आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ठीक है. सो आज हम उल्टा जा रहे हैं, हम कान ऐसे नहीं, हम कान ऐसे पकड़ रहे हैं. लेट्स सी, बिकॉज आई बिलीव यू गाइज आर अमेजिंग. सो टुडे the Vquiz is on all the parameters of motion that we have studied: distance, displacement, speed, velocity, average speed, average velocity and acceleration. So are you ready? Give me in your chat, are you ready? मतलब do you really feel कि मैम मुझे तो रिविजन नहीं चाहिए, मैं तो रॉक कर दूंगा? बोलो. I am on Zoom because Neil, because I wanted to be on a small screen and show you everything and write also on the Vquiz. So Vquiz पे आज मैं आपको लिख कर सारे क्वेश्चंस वहीं पे सॉल्व करके दूंगी. ठीक है. टुडे चंगू मंगू नहीं आएंगे. टुडे यू विल बी द चंगू मंगू एंड आई वांट टू सी हु वुड बी द बेटर चंगू मंगू है. कूल विद दिस? रेडी और नॉट? Yes, super good. So get into the Vquiz. Go to www.vquiz.in and use the code 224938. Quickly get into the session. आज सिर्फ और सिर्फ. Oh my goodness पूनम, कैसे हुआ ये? How did that happen? थोड़ा बड़ी हो जाती हूँ यार, कैसे हुआ? चलो जल्दी से Vquiz में आ जाओ. Vquiz में you have to use the code 224938 and everybody, once you are into the Vquiz, do let me know in the chat. Quick, जल्दी से मुझे चैट में एक यो दे दो if you are already in the Vquiz. If you are already in the Vquiz, your name is Sajidi. Okay बच्चा, will remember. You can pick your avatars. I know the code is 224938. You know this now? Yes or no? So let's see how many people. Which avatar did you pick? Which avatar did you actually choose? I would love to see your cool avatars there. अगर मुझे चूज करना होता तो मैं आज बुल चूज करती. आई वुड हैव चूजन दिस. मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है यार बुल. नहीं क्या, कैट भी क्यूट है और पंपकिन, यार ये तो सारे क्यूट है. यो, सो श्रव्या हैव जॉइंड, समृद्धि हैव जॉइंड, श्रेयस हैज जॉइंड, प्रियांशु हैज जॉइंड. सुपर गुड पीपल. इफ यू आर स्टिल मिसिंग, द कोड इज 224938. 224938. क्विकली गेट इनटू दैट. क्विकली, कम ऑन, क्विकली जल्दी से आ जाओ. और मैं सारी की सारी, यू आर रॉबूट और स्टार. ये समृद्धि दो कैसे बच्चे? इट इज रैंडम नील. कोई बात नहीं, इवन इन मेंटी इट इज रैंडम. मैंने पूछा इफ यू कैन पिक, तो कौन सा पिक करते? आज नहीं होगा श्रद्धा, बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. जॉइन श्रीधर. एवरीबडी यो. सो शैल वी गेट? आई कैन सी 24 पीपल हेयर एंड 22 हेयर. कौन है जो ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहा है और कौन है जो लाइक नहीं कर रहा है? कंजूस. जल्दी से लाइक करो. I placed you out of time. Anam, I didn't get you बच्चे. You are the star Priyanshu. Very cool. सब लोग अपने कोड्स बताओ. कौन क्या क्या है? Who are you? You are the star. Anum, I'm waiting. Don't worry. Let everyone join and then we'll start. So you have to just go to www.vquiz.in and use the code 224938 to get into the quiz. Yes. कौन क्या है अपने avatars तो बताओ. So I got to know star है हमारे पास Priyanshu. Priyanshu is the star. Then Om Shanti. Prakash, what is that? I didn't time out anyone, bache. I didn't time out anyone. Why would I do that? Shall I start? Bache, I have cough and cold. I'm so sorry, Prakash. My voice is also getting a bit funny. Priyanshu star है. Priyanshu मुझे पता है. ओहो, ये तो बड़ी मुश्किल है. ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था. आज पता चला कि आप avatars नहीं देख सकते. कोई बात नहीं. चलो फिर ऐसा चलते करते शुरू करते हैं. Let's start the quiz without wasting any time with the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's start with the very first question. Parameters of motion. I know you know it, but I have made sure that you tickle with your mind. तो टेंशन मत लेना. रीड द क्वेश्चन एंड देन गो विद द आंसर. ठीक है, रीड इट प्रॉपरली एंड देन ट्राई फॉर द आंसर. सो लेट मी गेट अ बिट स्मॉलर, लेट मी गेट अ बिट different, and let's start with a quiz in 3, in a 2, in a 1, starting now. Ready? 9 questions are there. So first question is, which of the following statement is correct regarding the velocity and speed of a moving object? So velocity and speed, there is some statements written. You have to tell me which one is correct. Velocity of a moving object is higher than its speed. Speed of a moving object is higher than the velocity. Speed of the moving object is its velocity in a given direction, or velocity of a moving object is its speed in a given direction. 4 statements. You have to pick the right one. Let's see people. A, B, C or D. Which one do you think is the right answer? Bachcha party, I have made sure that you think before you answer. The questions are not going to be super easy. The questions are going to make sure कि आपने जितना पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया या नहीं. So is it A, is it B, is it D or is it D? हलवा क्वेश्चन है. Time is up. हलवा का देखो जरा कमाल. 3, 5, 9, 10. क्या हो रहा है ये? बटे आधे इधर जाओ, आधे इधर जाओ. बचे हुए मेरे पीछे आओ. What is this people? 3, 5, 9 and 10. What is the right answer? The right answer is velocity of a moving object is higher than its speed. Can displacement be higher than the distance? The answer to that is no. My displacement can always be less than equal to one distance, right? तो अगर distance हमेशा ज़्यादा है तो speed भी तो velocity से हमेशा ज़्यादा होगी. कौन किसकी wife थी? Displacement velocity. Distance speed. तो first वाला हो गया wrong. Speed of a moving object is higher than its velocity. Always? No, they can always be, or there can is also a condition that they can be equal. So ये भी गलत. Speed of a moving object is, what is it? Speed of a moving object, third वाला क्या है? Is its velocity in a given direction. Speed को direction से कोई मतलब नहीं होता. False. The last one, velocity of a moving object is its speed in a given direction. This is the true statement. And जितने लोग पोपट बने हैं, let us see the result over here. Let us see the result, people. Let's see how many of you have got the right answer on the leaderboard. Let's see. So, Samyukta AISKN Ita Govada. मतलब क्या लिखना चाहती है बच्चे, मेरे को बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आया. Samyukta is on the top with 953 points. Neil is second. Shravya is third. Samera, Ridhima, Anum, Sajini, Krishnika, Rudrani and Ranjani. So people, ओके सो अभी तो स्कोर बहुत ही कूल है. श्रव्या थर्ड पे है. पोजीशंस थोड़ी थोड़ी नीचे है बट 53 पॉइंट्स का डिफरेंस है फ्रॉम फर्स्ट टू थर्ड. लेट्स सी कैन यू कवर दिस और नॉट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में मजा आया तो गिव मी अ यो एंड अ लाइक ऑन द वीडियो राइट अवे. ठीक है, लेट्स डू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड बी रेडी. नाउ यू नो द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, राइट? So get ready to play. If you want to, just join Vquiz with the code 224938. The next question is, which of the following is most likely not a case of uniform motion? It is not uniform motion. You have to tell me not uniform motion. Motion of earth around the sun. Ding. Motion of a toy train in a circular track. Motion of a racing car on a circular track, or motion of the hour's hand on the clock, which is not a uniform motion. Now this is actually a trick question. ये आपके circular motion के examples है सारे, but इनमें से एक example है जिसमें uniform motion नहीं है. What is uniform motion, people? Equal distance in equal time. So can you make it out? Quickly. Uniform motion, people. What is uniform motion? We all know uniform motion means what? कौन बताएगा what is uniform motion? Who will define it? Who will define it? What is uniform motion? Very good. Exactly, Anam. Everything is easy. It is just that we should not be rotting knowledge. We should know how to apply it. My uniform motion by definition is equal distance in equal time. Right? That means the speed remains constant. Right or wrong? Right or wrong, people? If I am going with equal distance in equal time, my speed is going to be constant. Now talking here about the speed. If my earth is moving around the sun, does it change its speed? कि यार आज थक गए, छोड़ो, I'm very tired, let's not go. और आज तो बड़ा मजा आ रहा है, excitement है, चलो भागते हैं. No, the earth goes with a constant speed. Motion of a toy train. If a toy train is going on a circular track, it always have the same speed. Talking about the hours of the clock. The hour and also move with the same speed. तभी तो रोज 6 बजे 6 बज जाते हैं. Every morning we have to wake up at 7 to 7:30. Everything is managed with the clock hand because it goes with the same speed. If अगर घड़ी ने बोल दिया कि मैं नहीं चल रही, I don't want to wish, then things will be very different. The only case where is not a uniform motion is for a racing car. Why? Because a racing car wants to win. So it will make sure that it keeps on increasing its speed. Oh, and zzz, and then how it's going to win. So this is the right answer over here. Everybody, good work this time. Who all have got it? Let's see the result. Show the result. Let's see. Let's see. So Neil is on the top. Now the list is changed. So even one question can change everything. Shravya has made sure to be on the third position. But Neil and Anuv have made it to the first and the second position. That's awesome. Ridhiva, Rudrani, Sajini, Ranjini, Sornarsri, Chaitanya and Samyukta. That's awesomely great, people. Very well done you guys are doing. Look at the points. They are very near. Make sure you're not leaving the quiz till the end. You're definitely going to win. Let's start with the next question. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go for it. So let's see, people. Third question out of 9 is on screen. A boy throws a ball up and catches it when the ball falls back. ठीक है? Everybody does it. What about, let's say Ananya sir is this boy and he's playing with the ball. अब उन्हें physics तो आती नहीं है. So sorry Ananya sir. So in which part of the motion the ball is accelerating, you have to tell. So if the ball is during downward motion is accelerated, when it is at rest it is accelerating, when it is going upward it is accelerating, or when Ananya sir is catching the ball it is accelerating. Come on. Come on people, what's the right answer? Bless Jagdeep, I didn't get you bache. Yes, come on quickly. When is the ball accelerating? A ball goes up and comes down. Now I don't have a ball around. Otherwise, chalo, I'll play it with my lip balm. So if I just throw it up, it comes back. I throw it up, it comes back. So when it is accelerating, while it is moving up, at the topmost point, it's zero velocity. So यहाँ से ऊपर जाते जाते, it is decreasing velocity, so not accelerating for sure. But when it is coming down, the earth is saying, "आ गले लग जा." Why? Because the earth is attracting it with a force and hence acceleration comes into picture. So out of all this, when is your ball accelerating? The right answer is not when it is at rest, not while it is going up, Not even when Ananya sir catches it. When it is, only when it is moving downward. This kind of motion is called what? Free fall. Do you guys know this? How many of you guys know this? Oh, I'm so sorry, Jagdeep. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, bacha. I didn't saw it. Have a good day and a great year ahead. Right? Okay, I just saw that, Jagdeep. Super good. Super sweet, Anam. That's so sweet of you. So this is what is the right answer. Let's see all of you who all got the right answer correct. So right answer is 15 people out of 28. Not bad, 50%, but we can do better, obviously. So मैंने बोला था, I will make sure that each of your question should be in such a way that you have to put your thinking cap on. So Neil is on the top, Anum is second, Shravya is third, super great people, Rudrani, Ranjani, Chaitanya, Sonarsri, Smera, Ridhima and Fahamida. My goodness, you people have beautiful name, but it's very difficult for me to pronounce. I'm so sorry if I pronounced any name wrong. Let's go to the next question and let's see whether we are getting it right or wrong. Ready or not? It's coming on this. Hi Rudrani bache. So, question. Choose the correct option. कितना easy है. Choose the correct. क्या option है? Distance is scalar, velocity is vector, acceleration is vector. Or distance is vector, velocity is scalar, acceleration is vector. Or distance is vector, velocity is vector, acceleration is vector. क्या हो रहा है? दिमाग घूमना शुरू हो गया? Last भी अभी तो. Distance is scalar, velocity is vector, acceleration is scalar. बाप रे बाप. So much confusion. No. If you know what is what, you can make this 10 times harder. You still can get to the right answer. It's super easy, people. You just need to know which all quantities are scalar and which all are vectors. So which is the correct option? A, B, C or D? A, B, C or D? Oh my goodness. My kiddos are rocking this question. It's amazingly good. I know distance and speed are scalars. Displacement, velocity and acceleration are vectors. And hence the right answer is part A. Very easy. Distance is scalar. Velocity is a vector and so is acceleration. Very well done, people. This time you guys have touched very nice. The Neil is on the top yet. Shravya is second. Anum is third. Kya baat hai? Shravya have made a lead. Anum, pack up. Come on. Oh, so sweet of you, Dev. But you have a noob sir out there. He teaches fabulously. Please enjoy his sessions as much as you did mine. Rudrani is fourth, then it's Ranjani, then it's Fahamida, Ridhima, Sajani, Avya and Samira. Super great people. Claps for you all. Claps for you all. Good, 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 good. Yes. क्योंकि downward में earth pulls. Very good. Very good, Shravya. Super great, बच्चे. When you start explaining each other, na, hats off to you. That's when you're becoming a better student. When you become a teacher for others. Super great, bacha bati. Let's see the next question. Question number 5 out of 9 on your screen. Which of the following situation is not possible? Not possible. हो ही नहीं सकता. A body moving with constant acceleration but zero velocity. Can it happen or can it not? A body moving horizontally with acceleration in vertical direction. Can it happen? Yes or no? A body moving with a constant velocity in an accelerated motion, or all of these. What is not possible? Out of all these, what is not possible? This is a tricky question. Read the options. Read the options. Anom, quickly bache, get your net corrected. A bit tricky, right, Shravya? It is a bit tricky, bache. Body is moving with constant acceleration. Acceleration hai, but zero velocity hai. Can it be possible? A body is moving. Oh my goodness, lots of confusion. All of these. कौन है ये चार बच्चे जिन्होंने all of these mark कर दिया कि मैम छोड़ो मैम इससे ना हो पाएगा. So people, all of these तो नहीं है. All of these तो नहीं है. So what is the way we figure out the answer? Let's figure this out. Talking about a moving with constant acceleration but with zero velocity. Velocity is zero. ठीक है? Now velocity can be 0 if the displacement is 0, right? If the displacement is 0, right? Now you remember that ball wala example? The ball goes up and comes down, right? Now at the highest point velocity was 0. Still the acceleration was downward. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. There was. So ये तो गलत हो गया. If there is velocity 0, still the acceleration is non-zero. That is the case of the free fall. We just got it. So this is not the correct answer. This is possible, very well possible in the case of free fall. A body is moving horizontally with acceleration in the vertical direction. What is this? Again, if I make a ball move on a table, there is always a pull of force of gravity on it downward. So though the body is moving horizontally, there is always an acceleration that is downward, which we call as acceleration due to gravity. So people, is the B possible? Even the B is possible. अनु एक बार refresh कर ले बच्चे. Right? Third is, a body is moving with constant velocity. Constant velocity means uniform motion. Can I say constant velocity means uniform motion? Yes or no people? अगर uniform motion है, can my acceleration be zero? The answer is yes, it will be zero. It cannot have an accelerated motion. So people, which one is the correct option? Not A, not B, not D. It is your C. तो कोई बात नहीं, गलती करेंगे तभी तो आगे बढ़ेंगे. So who all got? Is the channel going up and down or it is great? Neil is on the top yet. Very good Neil. Shravya second, Anup third. But there is a very less difference between Anup and Shravya, and please make sure you guys are rocking it. Fahamida, Rudrani, Ranjini, Sonashri, Ashwini, Ridhima, Sanjini. Very good. You guys are doing amazing. Keep it up. Let's see how well we can do. Shall we go forward? Shall we go forward? Yes, Neil, even in circular motion you can say that. Right? Okay. So people, next one. Let's see. Can we make it rock? What is the next question? Changu! अरे चंगू जिंदा है. चंगू जिंदा है. चंदू जिंदा है. Changu moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. ठीक है? Very simple question. Changu is moving in a circular field. Also sorry, a square field, and the square field has the, ये मेरी field है, and this square field what has the side of 10 meter, and 40 seconds में he complete a complete round, boundary घूम कर आता है. You have to tell me what is his displacement. So this is 10 meter. He takes 40 seconds to complete whole boundary, that is the perimeter. So 40 seconds में he is covering ideally 40 meter. You have to tell me after 2 minutes and 20 seconds कितना displacement है. So you need to first find his position. Time is up people. I guess you guys have got it perfectly correct. Why? Because ma'am, चंगू तो अपना है, वैसे ही NCERT का question है. Have you ever opened your NCERT till date and see this question? This question is simply that 2 minutes and 20 seconds के बाद where he will be. So if he is taking 40 seconds for 2 minutes means 120 seconds. 120 seconds plus 20 seconds is means he is completing total of 140 seconds. में कितने 40 seconds आएंगे? 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 20. So ये 3 complete rounds and 1 incomplete half round. So he would reach at diametrically opposite point. So at this you have to find the hypotenuse. You know this? Yes or no? NCERT का ही तो है मैम, सब पता है हमें. So hypotenuse कैसे निकालेंगे? पाइथागोरस बाबा की जय. So पाइथागोरस बाबा ने बोला है बेटा, hypotenuse square will be base square plus b square. So here hypotenuse will be 10 square plus 10 square का root, and that will give me what? 100 plus 100, 200. बाप रे बाप. अब 200 का कैसे निकालेंगे? We will do a simple trick. We will take 2 into 100. 100 का root हो गया 10. 2 का root होता है 1.41. So the answer is 114.41. दिस इज द राइट आंसर एंड यू गाइज हैव गॉट इट करेक्ट. इसीलिए आज हम जूम पे कॉल कर रहे हैं ताकि मैं सब कुछ लिखकर आपको समझा पाऊं. ठीक है, सुपर ग्रेट पीपल. सो 11 पीपल जिन्होंने सही आंसर दिया है, दैट्स ऑसमली ग्रेट. व्हाट इज द राइट ओवर इट? नील इज देयर, श्रव्या इज देयर एंड अनोम. बच्चे एक बारी पूरा सिस्टम बंद करके वापस आओ. सो नील, श्रव्या, रुद्रानी, सोनाश्री, रंजनी, रिधिमा, अनम, फहमिदा, अश्विनी एंड अव्या. सुपर ग्रेट पीपल, सुपर ग्रेट, वेरी गुड. नाउ 7th क्वेश्चन इज कमिंग एंड इसके बाद मैं लूंगी एक छोटा सा पॉज. क्यों, अभी बताऊंगी. दिस क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट रिलेटिव मोशन. Now ideally I am giving you already a hint how to go about it. I have not taught you this separately, but I want you to think over. There is given, there are two cars. ठीक है, there are two cars and what is we know about these two cars? We know that one car A, तो अनन्या सर की कार है, अनन्या सर की जो कार है वो आ रही है मेरी तरफ 40 kmph से. We are going to collide. मैंने सोचा अच्छा तुम ही हो, मैं नहीं हूं. भावना मैम की कार है, वो आ रही है अनन्या सर के पास विथ 10 km/h. You have to tell me what is my velocity relative to his velocity. मतलब हम जब टकराएंगे, by what speed we will be colliding. Can you think? Can you think? बच्चे पुवी, you can join by going to vquiz.in and using the code 224938. ठीक है? Kaustubh, this is an English class, बच्चे, not an English class. English medium is the language of mode of communication. कोई बात नहीं श्रव्या. See, this is now this is something I said कि I'll take a break here. Why? Because I have not taught you this, but this is something I would love to teach you people. What is relative velocity and how to go about it. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हमने स्पीड में बहुत सारी चीजें पढ़ी है. ठीक है, very lots of things. What is uniform motion, what is non-uniform motion, we have studied all of this with us. But what about relative motion? How to go about a scenario where we talk about motion that is happening because two vehicles are either moving towards each other or moving away. So this concept is called as the concept of relative motion. Now when I talk about relative motion, how to go about it? If I say Ananya sir and me both are driving and we are going to collide, ठीक है, then what is going to happen? His speed and my speed are going to add up. अगर वो मेरी तरफ भाग रहे हैं, दिस वैसे तो ये अनन्या सर थे, कोई और ले लेते हैं एग्जाम्पल, हीरो हीरोइन. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट बॉलीवुड मूवीज, इफ द हीरो इज रनिंग टुवर्ड्स द हीरोइन एंड द हीरोइन इज रनिंग टुवर्ड्स द हीरो, दे विल मीट सूनर. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर स्पीड विल एड अप. बट इफ दे आर मूविंग इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, की हीरोइन नाराज हो गई, हीरोइन गोज हेयर एंड हीरो गोज हेयर, व्हाट विल हैपन? देयर स्पीड विल subtract. So relative motion or relative velocity, how do we calculate? Here the question was very simple. If me and Ananya sir are driving towards each other, then what is our relative velocity with respect to each other? So if he is at rest, his speed will be added to me. If I am at rest, my speed will be added to him. That will be the relative speed. So ideally the answer is not 40 minus 10, which people actually thought 30. 7 people answered it. No, it is not going to be 20 as well. The relative speed will be what? It is going to be the 50 km/h because it is going to add up. This is the concept of relative velocity. Cool? Now talking, hi bache Saif. Now talking about this, I'll not show you the leaderboard yet because I told you कि मैं इसके बाद लेने वाली हूँ break. Now why I'm taking a break? क्यों ले रही हूँ मैं break? Because I want to give you this. Who all have done the homework question? Who are my homework star rockers for this class? Last class I have given you a very simple question on average speed and we have talked if we have 40 km/h from one point to another and while it is coming back it is 60 km/h, what is the total average speed? So obviously to do this we can use a simple trick for V average ka formula. What is it? Twice of V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2. If you did this formula and you got the right answer, no worries. If you went from Tiddu to Tittu, which is the actual formula we always apply. This is the shortcut. ठीक है, this is the shortcut. This is the actual Tiddu upon Tiddu wala formula, that is total distance upon total time. If you talk about this, Shravya, my girl, rocking, lots of balloons, lots of blessing for you, and so is Adrito. Very well done, bache. Very, very well done. You guys have done an amazing, 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 amazing job over here. Thank you very much for being the rock stars always. But why did I tell the rock stars, Abhi? Why did I show the rock stars? Because आज का homework question आ रहा है. So people, make sure you make the best of effort. Fill in the comment section with your answers. The first and the correct answers will be my homework rockers. What's the question for homework today? The maximum speed of a train is 90 kmph. It takes 10 hours to cover a distance of 500 km. Find the ratio of the average speed to the maximum speed. So now we are leveling up. आप लोगों को लगता है मैम मैं बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस पूछती है, बट वी हैव टू एक्चुअली गो विद बेबी स्टेप्स टू द लीप. सो दिस इज द लीप. नाउ आई बिलीव इन यू दैट फॉर पैरामीटर्स ऑफ मोशन यू गाइज आर रेडी. गो फॉर द लीप. Answer the right answer in the comment section. Fill it with the correct answer quickly, and the most fastest and the correct answer will be my homework rockers. Everybody did note the question? Yes or no? Yes, bache. Very correct, gaming. Very correct. You're perfectly correct. ओके बच्चा संयुक्ता, गॉट इट बच्चे. ठीक है बच्चे. समृद्धि, टिड्डू अपॉन टिट्टू कैसे अप्लाई करना है अभी बता देती हूँ. उस क्वेश्चन में द क्वेश्चन वाज कि 40 kmph पे इट इज गोइंग सम डिस्टेंस एंड द सेम डिस्टेंस कमिंग बैक एट 60 kmph. सो इफ आई हैव टू अप्लाई वी एवरेज में टिड्डू अपॉन टिट्टू, टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम, फॉर दैट द डिस्टेंस इज x. ठीक है, सो टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 2x. Now if I say while going the distance is x, the time 1 while going will be x by 40, speed or distance upon speed is by t1, and while coming back it is x by 60. So we are just going to do this x by 640 plus x by 60. Are you getting it बच्चे? समृद्धि, are you getting it बच्चा? कोई बात नहीं है तो it's okay बच्चे. Got it बच्चे, but it's very difficult for me Samyukta. So when you do this, you are simply going to get 2x upon 60x plus 40x upon 60 into 40, which is going to go in the numerator like this. And hence we get what? 2x. So x तो कट जाएगा. 2 upon 100 into 24. 48 will be the. ठीक है? Okay. Cool. चलो. Let's do the quiz. Last 2 questions. But एक मिनट यार. आपको पता है ना ये बात कि दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट फॉर ऑल द ग्रेड 9 स्टूडेंट्स हु आर येट टू थिंक कि यार सब्सक्रिप्शन ज्वाइन करे नहीं करे, शुड वी ज्वाइन वेदांतु प्रो और नॉट, शुड वी बिकम प्रो स्टूडेंट्स और नो. The answer to this is don't think too much. This is the right time to go for pro, because right now the courses for AI live for the whole year for 2020, 22 and 23 is only at 5,000 for all your subjects: physics, chemistry, bio, social studies, maths and English. All the subjects, full year course for only 5,000. And with my code you also know that you will get a discount of 10%, only 4,500. बट ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ 31st तक है. सो 31st ही है ना, 31st मई तक है. सो अगर उसके बाद करोगे, सो द सेम थिंग विल बी फॉर 10,000 और विद द कोड इट विल बी फॉर 9,000. मतलब डबल प्राइस देना है, योर विश, बट इफ यू रियली वांट टू गो विद इट राइट नाउ इट इज द परफेक्ट टाइमिंग. Same goes if you want to study even better and want your doubts to be solved even after class, you can go with classic, but the cost go a bit higher. For 1 year it is 20,000, but that is also not too high. Why? Because if your doubts are getting resolved, your performance is going better. And the last one is the plus, which is for 40,000 for 1 year. Now you will say why? Because your AI live, that is augmented live sessions, are recorded session by your your master teachers, where your class teachers will be live solving your doubts. But if you want to study with your master teachers live, then this is the course for you, that is plus, the AI plus. Here your master teachers will be live, they will be taking your doubts in the class, your class teachers will also be there, you will get books, you will get everything here. So this is everything. If you wish to go with the highest one, go with it. If you can afford it, definitely. But if you are looking for your pocket ki yaar thoda sa abhi mushkil hai, then do not miss at least this. Why I'm saying this? Even though you take it as an extra class like what you say कि मम्मी पापा ने तो ट्यूशन में डाल दिया है मैम, अब क्या करें, डोंट टेक इट कि ये फायदेमंद नहीं होगा. यू विल गेट द बुक्स, यू विल गेट सीटी सपोर्ट, डाउट सॉल्व हो गए, यू विल गेट योर सेशन, यू कैन सी द रिकॉर्डिंग एज मेनी टाइम्स एज वर्ड, एंड दिस इज फॉर ऑल योर सब्जेक्ट. This is the least, actually not even least, this is less than the least that even I have to pay when I was in my school days. So do consider this right now, because 31st May के बाद the cost is going to rise to 9,000. Abhi it is only 4,500. Do not take time, just go for it. ठीक है, लेट्स गो विद अ क्विज बैक. देखते हैं हमारे लीडर बोर्ड पे अभी कौन है और उसके बाद कौन आने वाला है, बिकॉज लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. श्रव्या माय गर्ल इज ऑन द टॉप. नील कहाँ चला गया? 4th पोजीशन पे. रुद्रानी इज सेकंड, रंजनी इज थर्ड. वेरी गुड बच्चा पार्टी. नील, सोनाश्री, रिधिमा, अनुम, फहमिदा, अश्विनी एंड सजवनी आर देयर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बच्चा पार्टी ऑन योर कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन नाउ. Last 2 questions. 2 cars A and B are racing with each other. A car ran for 2 minutes at a speed of 7.5 kilometers. ठीक है, कार A है, it is going for 2 minutes at 7.5 kmph for 2 minutes. ठीक है, then stopped. गाड़ी में दिक्कत आ गई, अनन्या सर की गाड़ी है, दिक्कत तो आनी थी. 56 minutes its speed was 0. And then again 7.5 kmph for 2 minutes. You have to find me the average speed. What is the V average for car A? Can you do this? Tiddu upon Tiddu. Come on people. Come on. Hi bache Rudrani. Come on people. Can you do this? And all those confused people who have not liked the session yet, do like the video. Quickly. Okay, BTS, Samyukta got it. Oh my goodness, सब इधर गए उधर गए, सब चले गए मैम, सब चले गए. The answer is, पहले तो टाइम देख लेते हैं. First let's see how to do it. तो total time is 2 minutes plus 56 minutes plus 2 minutes. Total time कितना हो गया? 56 plus 2, 58 plus 2, 60 minutes in total, which is 1 hour. Yes or no? Yes or no? Time क्या है? This is my 1 hour. Right? Sameshwar, vquiz.in, go to 224938 is the code. ये मेरा total time है. Tiddu. What is Tiddu? Now Tiddu के लिए I have to first see, I have to give the answer in kilometer per hour. So let's convert time from 2 minutes to hour. So 2 by 60. So total distance will be what? My 7.5 into 2 by 60 plus 7.5 into 2 by 60. Am I making sense? बीच में एक 0 भी होगा. Why? Because for 56 minutes that body was at rest. 0 velocity, 0 distance covered. Right? So this is going to be your total Tiddu. Tiddu के साथ Tiddu को divide करने का and answer निकालने का. And what is the right answer बच्चा पार्टी? What's the right answer? The right answer is 0.5. If you have thought कि it is at rest, वो time consider नहीं करना है. No. Total distance upon total time is the thing that you have to consider, and that's how to go about it. So this is your question number 8, and the right answer is given by Rudrani, Ranjani, Shravya, Neil, Sonasri, Avisha, Ridhima, Anum, Fahmida and Ashwini. देख रही हूँ मैं, points नीचे आ रहे हैं, ग्राफ बहुत ऊपर नीचे जा रहा है. You cannot say. Last question will be the deciding question for us. So let's see. A train starts from rest and accelerate at a rate of 5 meters per second square for 5 seconds. Calculate the velocity of the train in 5 seconds. Oh my goodness, so easy it is. So easy. Last question एकदम gift दे दिया है मैंने कि बेटा हो गया, बहुत हो गया, अब gift ले लो. Gift ले लो. Super easy it is. Hi Lucky. Come on. Quickly, last question. Last question. Super easy. If I have to write down, ना मैं लिखना नहीं चाहती थी, but if a body is starting at rest, u is 0 meters per second. uniformly at a rate, acceleration is 5 meter per second square, time is 5 second. What is the v at 5 second? Oh my goodness, super easy question people. I should be giving not this, but ये last question इतना easy नहीं होना चाहिए था. इससे पहले वाला question बहुत amazing था, वो होना चाहिए था आपका last question. But this is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Let's see, people. Oh my goodness. So easy, ma'am. So easy that most of us have got it right. And who is the winner? Rudrani today has made it to the first position. Shravya third पे शुरू करके third पे end कर रही है मेरा बच्चा. Ranjani is second and that's awesome. दिस प्रूव्स दैट इफ यू आर कंसिस्टेंट, कोई बात नहीं अगर हम रेस में पहले थोड़ा पीछे है, एट द एंड वी कैन मेक इट अप इफ वी आर कंसिस्टेंट. बी द टर्टल, डोंट ट्राई टू बी जस्ट द रैबिट कि वी शुड बी मूविंग फास्टर एंड वी विल बी द विनर. Don't be overconfident with things. Yes, your speed matters, but your consistency matters more. So Rudrani have topped today with 6,391 points. Ranjani with second position 6,245 points and Shravya with 5,869 points. Super great people. It was amazing, 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 amazing today. I too enjoyed it thoroughly. If you wish to enjoy each and every part of Vedantu, do not miss this opportunity. This is right now the last call. Let's say the prices are hiking. Why to leave it when something so great is waiting for such a great price? Don't miss it. ये मैं भी करती हूँ. Even I do this. I put something in the cart and I just keep waiting कि cost कम हो जाए. But the cost may also increase. And if I know it is increasing, I'll buy it when it is the most worth. Do not miss this chance. Definitely get into the sessions. Be a pro student and don't forget to answer this homework question as soon as possible in the comment section. Correct options will be taken as my homework rockers. Thank you very much for this amazing session. It was great, people. Take care of yourself. Keep smiling and keep rocking. Bye-bye. Ta-da. See ya. सब लोग सत श्री अकाल.